Hello viewers, again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video we dive into the world of very beautiful, very amazing and creative crochet and jute rope artistic bottle ideas and bottle recreation ideas and tips for you. If you are wanna do some crafting, stress free your mind and mindfulness, focus on something, so you are here is the right place for you. And these are very amazing and interesting designs we bring for our viewers and subscribers. We gonna show you the amazing crafting ideas, recycle ideas. Our channel gives you the best crafting and recycling ideas for products, and these designs are very popular in upcoming season, for upcoming festival, upcoming new year. So these designs are very popular and beautiful for everyone who want to take something different types of craft. Here are the best tips and beautiful advices for you, because we want to bring joy, happiness, togetherness for everyone who want to do something and who want to get ideas and style, for everyone who want to make something different and unique. In this video we show you popular designs, easy to make designs, crafting ideas, ideologistic design, and many more you want to watch. If you want something extra, so leave your comment in the comment section and we will try to upload what you want to watch. Thank you so much for watching. We are trying to bring the best ideas and beautiful connection with you. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Hello and welcome back to our creative corner. Today we are diving into the world of rustic jute rope inspired decorations made from old bottles. Yes, those empty glass or plastic bottles that usually end up in the trash can actually become timeless pieces of art. With a little creativity and mindfulness, they can transform into rustic decor that brings warmth, style, and even healing energy to your home. The beauty of rustic craft. There's something truly magical about rustic designs. They connect us with nature, earthy tones, raw textures, and imperfections that tell a story. By decorating bottles and jute rope, patterns, shape, inspire geometry and nature's balance. We create designs that feel both artistic and spiritual. Think of wrapping an old glass bottles with jute rope, painting earthy patterns, or adding clay, embellishments, leaves, adding beads, jute rope. These touches not only look stunning but also bring a sense of grounding energy into your space. Rustic decor has this way of slowing life down, reminding us of simpler times and giving our homes an organic, cozy atmosphere. Now let's talk about the process. Start with any empty bottles, wine, clean it thoroughly and remove labels. Then you can decorate in many ways. Jute rope wrapping. Wrap the bottle with natural jute or twine for a farmhouse look. Add beads or shells for accent. Painted jute rope patterns. Type of advice like how much types can bottles make? White, so you are here at the right place. And green, simple geometry. We are talking about the beauty of rustic craft. There's something truly magical about rustic designs. They connect us with nature's earthy tones, raw textures, and imperfection that tell a story. By decorating bottles with jute rope patterns, shapes inspired by geometry and nature's balance, we create designs that feel both artistic and spiritual. Think of wrapping an old glass bottle with jute rope, painting earthy patterns, or adding clay embellishments. These touches not only look stunning but also bring a sense of grounding energy into your space. Rustic decor has this way of slowing life down, reminding us of simpler times and giving our homes an organic, cozy atmosphere. Now let's talk about the process. Start any empty bottle, wine bottle, soda bottles, or even small jars. Clean it thoroughly and remove labels. Then you can decorate in many ways. It's like a blank canvas for artisans. Jute rope wrapping. Wrap the bottles with natural jute or twine. For a farmhouse look, add beads or shells or for accent. Use earthy paints, terracotta white or deep green, simple geometric or tribal inspired motifs can make the bottle look like an ancient artifact. Clay and stone embellishment, add small clay flowers or glue natural stones around the base. This gives texture and weight, making it look like a handmade ceramic piece. Rustic lighting, turn your bottle into a lamp or candle holder by placing fairy lights inside. When lit, it creates a warm, mindful glow. The best part, each bottle is unique. No two creations will ever be the same, and that's the beauty of it. This is a unique piece, it's made by something artist. By crafting is more than just decoration. But it is more than decoration. When we focus on draping twine, brushing paint strokes, or carefully placing beads, our minds enter a calm state. It's almost meditative. Stress melts away because our attention shifts from worries to creation. Study shows that creative hobbies like this reduce anxiety, improve focus, and boost mood. It's not just arts and craft, it's self-care. Every brush stroke and knot is like a little meditation. It's like a little meditation. Self-care, helping us connect with the present moment. Now let's talk about it is very eco-friendly and sustainable. There are also environmental benefits. By using bottles, we keep waste out of landfills and give new life to something discarded. It's sustainable, eco-friendly, and it teaches us that beauty can come from what we already have instead of buying expensive decor. You can create rustic pieces with love and mindfulness. So next time you finish a drink, don't throw that bottle away. See it as a blank canvas, waiting to become something beautiful. Rustic, geometric, decorated bottle craft brings not only elegance to your home but also peace to your mind and healing energy to your soul. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this mindful crafting journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more creative inspiration, until next time, keep creating, keep recycling, and keep returning, keep nurturing your inner peace. We try to bring the best ideas and best beneficial crafts for you. Our channel gives you the amazing ideas, and we gives you the best rustic ideas. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your amazing, really amazing response. We are very thankful to you. So have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Our channel try to give you amazing designs for every crafters. So leave your comment in the comment section and we will definitely try to upload the best ideas and designs. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay happy forever and ever. Keep shining like a star. May your home fill full with